This is Alex. And
Max. We just, like 30 minutes ago, finished filming Asian Food Taste Test Part 1. Well, we
that's like
might call it Part 2, we don't know.
you literally just said that, so it has to be that.
Part 1. This is Part 2.
So first
This
off,
is the nasty foods that we decided, okay? The girl at the store gave us this for free because it's so nasty, she said. She said it tastes like earth.
it's gum.
Oh, it's like fresh cut grass. We have to eat both pieces, or chew both pieces. Most videos we have a throw-up bowl, last video we didn't. This video we do have a throw-up bowl, but we're probably gonna need it.
It's so small, like I'm already throwing up because of this. It's nasty.
You ready? Both pieces at the same time? Or should we just leave one piece? I don't know.
The grass.
That shit's nasty. Just oh, it tastes like bark, grass. You like it or something?
It's just different. It's weird.
You're crying. I'm not crying. I'm just nasty.
It's not that bad.
I kid. You're sick.
It tastes like grass.
How do you like that?
I don't like it. It's just not that bad to throw up.
0 out of 10.
5.
Oh! We're not gonna argue on this. Yeah. I need a drink. Do you need a drink? Or can you go for something else?
I'm good.
This was 25 cents. Let's just do this. It's like a creepy little baby on there. After you open it.
Partial G original gluten biscuit.
Sounds good. Sounds pretty legit. This is the nasty stuff that we were waiting for that we're gonna throw up. This is supposed to taste like, smell like rotting meat. It's legit. It's so strong to smell. People don't eat it. It looks like a big. I don't know if you guys can see this, but it's supposed to be like a big spiky fruit. But it was like it's like $25 for one of them. They look pretty legit.
Parley G. Like, it doesn't seem that good.
It looks pretty nasty.
It looks like a biscuit.
It's like 25 cents for this whole thing, so it's.
It's like graham cracker.
Oh, really good.
Yeah. I would eat it again.
It tastes like burnt.
Yeah.
I'll say
6. But I would eat it.
let's say like 5.
Look. That was only 25 cents. That's why we bought it.
Yeah. Let's do a drink. Let's do the energy drink. Oh, there's a question. This stuff we're like scared about. Cause energy drink, it's got a bullet on it. We're gonna like die after this. So that's this. Oh. Initial smell. It smells like Red Bull or like any other monster drink. Energy drink.
I want one.
Oh,
It looks like straight
I think I've tried this before. Not like but as a candy.
Straight urine. Drinking straight urine.
I'm like Kesha. I drink my own urine. Kesha drinks her own urine. Fun fact of the day. Is it like more for me? So I can die? Oh. It's just like a bowl.
I'm gonna die.
I'm not drinking this whole thing. I'm gonna drink a sip.
It's like not even good. It's like such a candy that it's not good.
Oh, it's so sweet and sugary.
It's like our candy meth.
Every other weekend, we hang out, we do something called candy meth, and we melt, like, fuse candies together, like a meth lab. It's like, just like Red Bull, but like even sugarier. I don't even know if that's a word, but I don't care. I'm not drinking any more of this.
I'm down it.
It's bad for you,
I'm
dude.
down it. I'll probably die.
You're gonna die. Your heart's like, gonna explode.
Like they give it this little tiny thing, probably because like if you have like a regular size one, you'll die.
It's like 3 times the energy. We need that. Let's see that Moki.
We started with drinks. Let's do a drink.
No, we need a drink after this. We're gonna need a drink.
Yeah, but we gotta try it before we just. Because then like our flavor would be like changed by that.
Fine. What? How about you pour yours in the glass that you finish your energy drink?
This is
I'm
raw.
drinking from the bottle.
This is raw moon.
I've had this before, but not this flavor. This is like a special like.
Carbonated soft drink.
It's really cool
It
how
has
you
these
open
Asian
it.
shows on it.
You pop the marble.
A marble.
I'll drink from the bottle. You'll drink from the thing.
Here, can you give me that knife?
Dude, you don't. I don't know how to open these. I'll let you do it. Let me show you how to.
Oh.
Never mind. The knife too. Oh. Can we tell them what we saw at the store?
No. I'm never going back there, ever.
I'll tell them. So we were looking around. Oh. And we were asking some Chinese lady for something. Asking like what the nastiest stuff there was, pretty much. And we heard this. We saw this lady looked pretty normal.
Is it a marble?
Yeah, we gotta pop the marble. This lady looked pretty normal looking, you know? And then we heard her talk. She sounded like a legit strong-armed man.
How do you pop the marble?
Food.
How do you pop the marble?
You put that in there and pump it and hit it. No. We do it.
No, I want to do this.
That's not how you do it. You just like. This is so stupid.
Why is this thing?
Oh wait, we're gonna take this out. I'm so stupid.
Now you're out again now.
You gotta slam it.
So bad. I hate it so much.
Oh! Look at that marble!
Whoa! It's a marble!
Pour it into the bottle.
It's like floating. That's super cray.
There's not. It won't turn off! Well, our camera died on us. Shut up, Frog! I'm right here. Don't break that, my dad just fixed that. So, our camera shut off when we were trying to... Shut up! We were trying... That. Shut up! Okay! So that's all for trying this ramen stuff. We already drank it because we thought we were still filming. We went to go check, we weren't filming. We tried it! It tastes like seltzer water.
It tastes like Sprite.
And Alex is amused with it. And while you were gone, we tried these little nasty Moki things. Now when we show things, show above our heads, because that's where I can film on. So we already tried it. Oh! 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 Oh!
We already tried one. It's like a beanbag.
Makes me like shiver, like it's like that. I already ate a whole one. I'm not doing this again.
That's what that is, man.
Oh! It tastes like it's red bean flavor. Get that through your guys' minds. It's red bean. They like have like a fetish for red bean over there in China. They pretty much wrap things up. Huh?
We never ate the fruit.
That fruit, like our house still smells. The whole house smells like right now. So that sucks. Alex, say goodbye.